All right, everyone, tonight we're going to be going over subtracting linear expressions. I'm going to do the odds, so let's start with number 17. Got negative 2x minus 1 minus x minus 7. Well, let's remember from the basics, this is really a 1 in front of this parentheses. So this is a negative 1. Negative 1 times x will be negative x. And negative 1 times negative 7 will be positive 7. I'm going to take this number, this expression, that we created, and we're going to put it underneath the first expression, negative x plus 7. Notice it's the inverse of what is here, the opposite. The opposite of x is negative x, opposite of negative 7, positive 7. All right, so let's see how these work out. Well, negative 2x minus x is a negative 3x. And negative 1 plus 7, well, that's going to be a positive 6. And there's our answer, negative 3x plus 6. Let's go on to number 19. It says negative 8x minus 1 minus 8x minus 1. Well, right off the bat, I'm going to go for the inverse. That's going to make this turn this into a negative 8x. And a negative times a negative is a positive, so this would be plus 1. And look, we have the same exact number that what was up there. So 1 plus 1 is 2, and negative 8x and negative 8x make negative 16x. Plus 2. All right, let's go ahead and work number 21 now. It's just saying subtract, yeah. All right, number 21 says negative 6x minus 11 minus negative 2x minus 4. So again, we're going to find the inverse. The opposite of negative 2x is going to be positive 2x. And the opposite of negative 4 is going to be positive 4. And let's combine. Negative 6 plus 2 is negative 4x. And negative 11 plus 4, well, that's going to be negative 7. That's our answer, negative 4x minus 7. Number 23, it says to subtract, just like it did up here where it said subtract, use models if needed. We didn't need to use models, but let's try number 23 here. We got 5.7x minus 0.8 minus 4.9x minus 1.4. Don't let all these decimals scare you. It's the same thing. I'm going to find the inverse of 4.9x. That's going to be negative 4.9x. And we've got the opposite of negative 1.4, which is positive 1.4. And if we put these together, we see that we've got, let's see, well, 5.7 minus 4.9. We're going to have to borrow one from here, leaving 4, bring one here, and 17 minus 9 is going to be 0.8. So this would be 0.8x. And let's see, well, I could say negative 0.8 plus 1.4, or I could say 1.4 minus 0.8, and that's going to give us 0.6. And we're done. 8x plus 0.6. Okay, number 25 will be the last one that I help you with tonight. This time they're going to want us to distribute properties. 2 times x, that's 2x. And 2 times 1, well, that's plus 2. And we're going to minus 3x from all this. All right. This time, it's already given to us the negative 3x. We don't need to add anything to it. There's no parentheses. So really, we've just got 2x. Remember, these are like terms, 2x and 3x. So negative 3x plus 2x is going to give us negative x. And all that's left is positive 2 after that. So it's negative x plus 2. That's our answer. All right, let's go ahead and find our secret code word for tonight. The code word is going to be, here's one. Nestle Pure Life. Water. That's right, I'm drinking a Nestle's Pure Life water from Nestle's Pure Life water bottle right now. And let's go ahead and delete this off now so no one else will be able to see the code word. And for those that watch the video, good luck to you and see you in class.